Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a PayPal account. Now let's jump straight into it. Now the first step of course is to go to PayPal website, and what you want to do is to open a web browser and navigate to the link. I don't have that right here, but you can look that up on the web. Now you want to click on sign up in the top right corner, and once you're done, the first thing what you need to do is to choose your account type. So you want to select the type of account that you want to create, and there are two types. You could create a personal or a business. So the personal is for individuals who want to send and receive payments, whereas the business is for businesses that want to accept payments online. So you can just choose whichever one it is you want to use and then click continue. Now the third step of course is to enter your information. So what you want to do is to fill out the registration form with your first and last name, your email address, your password, your date of birth, and of course your address. And after that's done, you just click continue, and go to the fourth step, which is to add a payment method. So you want to add a payment method to your PayPal account. You could use credit card or debit card, as well as bank account. So what you want to do is to enter your card information if you're choosing the credit or debit card option, whereas the bank account, you just need to enter your bank account information and then click continue to go to the fifth step, and that is to verify your email address. So PayPal is going to send you a verification email to your registered email address. What you want to do is to open the email address and click on the verification link. Once that is done, you move on to the sixth step, which is to set up security questions. Now you gotta set these security questions to help you protect your account, and you can choose two security questions, and of course you gotta provide the answers. Don't tell me the answers. Just kidding. So the seventh step of course is to review and agree to the terms and conditions. Of course you gotta review PayPal's terms and conditions, and then you want to check the box to agree to the terms and click submit, because you kind of have to, otherwise you might not be able to use PayPal. So just click agree and submit. And we're going to go on to the eighth step, which is to verify your account. This is optional at this point, but I'd recommend you taking the time to do it. And what you want to do is to lift spending limits and access more features. You need to verify this account. So what you want to do first is to confirm your bank account. PayPal is going to deposit two small amounts to your bank account. So you need to enter the deposit amounts by logging into your PayPal account and then entering those deposit amounts, and that's going to help you verify your account. Now a couple of tips for you guys. First is to make sure that you have access to email address that you are using to register. You don't want to end up using the wrong email address, because you're not going to be able to verify. And the second is to protect your account information, including your password and of course the security questions, just to make sure you are the only one who has access to your account. And the third is to understand PayPal's fees for transaction transfers and other services, just to make sure that you don't end up miscalculating at some point. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful, and if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you're new and if you haven't done that already. And of course, don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.